Welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to solve the question number 8 where we have to find the count, that is a number of digits in a number. For example, if we take any number, for example 3, 2, 6, 5, 8. If we take this number, we have to count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number of digits is 5. This is the output. So we have to solve this code to get this answer. So what will be the input of the code? The input of the code will be the number. That the number will be in the form of integer, and the output will be the required number. So let us see. So what are the constraints of this code? Constraint is n should be within the range of 1 equal to 1, greater than equal to 1 to 10 to the power 9, and the sample input, we have to give any input and we get the required output. Now how we can solve? We can solve this program by simply dividing the number with 10. For example, we have taken the example of 9543. Taking the example of 9543, if we divide 9543 by 10, we will get the quotient as 954 and remainder as 3. Similarly, if we divide 9454 by 10, we will get 95 as quotient and 4 as remainder. Similarly, if we divide 95 with 10, we will get 90, 95. Sorry, it will be 9. We will get 9 at quotient and 5 as remainder. Similarly, if we divide 9 by 10, we will get 0 at quotient and 9 as remainder. So number of digits will be nothing but the count of number of tens we have used. That is, how many tens are here? 4. So we can write the code accordingly. That is, we have to divide the number by the digit. We get number of tens. So that will be give the required answer. So number of digit is equal to the number of tens we will require to divide the number. In this case, we get 4 tens, so the answer is 4. Now let us see how we can write the code. First, we will write this code to give the input. Then we will take a digit as an integer digit, which we will require to find the final output. So what we will do, we will use a while loop. Using while loop, we will take n not equal to 0, because as we saw, it ends up when it becomes 0. When the number becomes 0, the program ends up. So we have to do up till the number that is non-zero, up till the number when it is non-zero. After doing this, what we will do, we will simply divide the number by 10 and we will assign the number in itself. So we will divide the number and only assign the number. That means if we see this, that this is the n initially, then this becomes the n, then this becomes the n, and finally this becomes the n. And when n becomes 0, we will leave the program. And finally we will do digit is equal to digit plus 1. We'll increase the digit one by one. After doing each programming or each loop, we'll increase it by 1, and finally we'll print the digit. So in this way we'll do the code. Let us try to solve this code in a editor. So in this editor we will try to solve the code. And SCL equal to new scanner system dot in. The next line, here we will write next in n equal to SCL. Next int SCL dot next int. Now as I written the program, now I will try to run the program. So let us give an input, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we have got the output 9. Now let us try to give another input. For example, let's give input 987654 and try to run the program. And we got the required output as 6. As we have 6 numbers here, we have got the output 6. Now submit. So as our code is correct, so this, hope you have understood the code. Thank you.